mechia obi biara eba kasafedie so ya kam what to say dwumadie kese bi bekoso wa Asantehene anase Ghana mem Bruni Beka say it's going to be the biggest traditional plus diplomatic gathering in Kumasi. Ansa na Ghana for anase Asantehene say hu bim na ebeche ye panse ni ase hu sa nhyiamu ni biem eye de nhyiamu eye ewiase etitiro ni amintin na ebehia na omode abasobode ama yenra OTUMFUO na dwumadie no akwaye se eye World Meet in Ghana Executive Dinner Ball like I say impanimfo titiro se de mechanical ne no eba behia wo Kumasi abonten so eye menhia na oma ka oma no anase oma atopono na pono no tuo no no ena omo befa so ede abasobo kese ama bodomewuo Asantehene OTUMFUO nyame kese na dienti na yebo nyame kese abaso dienti na yebo nyame kese abaso omo kyerese oye pillar of peace OTUMFUO Asantehene setu otoso mienu eye pillar of peace negese ka obi a odwena asomdwie ho opra asomdwie ode ka no nanka da bia asomdwie ewo fia na ye yera OTUMFUO na setu a otoso mienu enti mon shanenso tiefo se dwumadie kese se eba eye April 24th this year April 24th 2026 year na dwumadie eba so ewo Kumasi abonten so na confirmed leaders anase etitire ni amintin a omodie omagyatum so omoba a omodin abedru Kumasi abonten so na se omodin da krata so sesia yenim a ebetima kan kire no ebe ne yera Sam Jonah on the be titinani ama dwumadie no na yera Sam Jonah said the minimum on the executive chairman of Jonah Capital or yet one of Africa's most respected business leaders. Yeria former foreign minister and or yet Commonwealth Secretary General a year Obafefe Shirley Ayoko Botche and so ebeba be PSA dwumadie ase na ya listing is or your special guest of honor our dwumadie nim yeria wamkele meni a year yera ana papa wamkele meni on a Secretary General for after na African Continental Free Trade Area papa ena ye twetwere for panyini after enti Mr. Wamkele meni so baby Mr. Alex Dede so on a executive chairman of KGL Group on so special on the ability the business delegation during the event. Timon Shannon so say Mr. Alex Dede so ever baby PSA Jumedian say. If OTUMFUO a royal or your royal answer or your dish year or dear Kunya and Jumedi be saying no so say him for baby bede beba be PSA Tia or go on me a two watch it the third or go on me a two watch it the third or ye Olu of Warri Kingdom I want Nigeria so beba be PSA on which you know Olori a two watch the third on so ye the queen mother and answer Oba Obo Olu of Warri Kingdom Chidom Bruni Beka say queen consort of Warri Kingdom on so beba be PM nigga say or hene ene hema ebe free Warri Kingdom want Nigeria aba be PM owo Asantehene anase Kumasi abonten said America no omu nyina be hiem na ya hye OTUMFUO animunyam say eba peace building mediation any leadership necessary ni ho Ghana ne sɛso ni hɔ ɛwɔ West Africa, ne sɛso ni hɔ ɛwɔ Africa ɛne wiase. Nti ɔpemsoɔ will be honored as a peacemaker and as a pillar of peace. I guess about peace building, any mediation, any leadership there, or the musronko. Bodomewuo, or the musronko, or danso, say can't send the penya botre, any power press on jia, or danso, ubia and inset. Dear Yabubo Yachi, a title for beba. So, diplomats, because a diplomat beba, senior government officials, traditional rulers, African diaspora leaders, global business executives, nipa beba dompem, our Asantehene no, a best so wani, and catch it. Yes, ye yo, yes, ye fe, say, if the mrebiaso, so was a we say, about peace building, mediation, any leadership. Asantehene OTUMFUO efata about body. Mami tie wa adwenkyere de na wo ka kire Asantehene de na wo ka kire OTUMFUO nyame kese na setutu otoso mienu wogi dis abasobode no akabi owosom di bebre ka no ho ana peace building any mediation no enough na sa abasobode na akabi a de abasobode na wo hwe aka wa wo hwe me wa wo tie me de abasobode be pa na wo hwe nka ye peace building and as a peacemaker na and the pillar of peace award win we are kayo say ye sa hwene bona baso foforo maminti wadwenkyere e wo dwumedi so